It's Trevor here, hope you're very, very well. This is my Ebook Cash review, and Ebook Cash is my own personal launch. So very, very excited to bring this to you. Now, you may have seen before that we released a product called the Giant Ebook Kit, and Ebook Cash is like Giant Ebook Kit version 2.0, okay? So the very latest and greatest in ebooks with PLR and MRR rights. Now the Giant Ebook Kit has done well over 4,000 sales, incredibly popular, and Ebook Cash will not disappoint you. So the thing about this is it's incredible value. You know, we see a lot of stuff being released in the industry that is dubious, to say the least. I'm not casting aspersions on anybody. I'm not knocking anybody, but you know, there's a lot of hype in this industry, and so that's why I like products like this that are actual things of value. So with Ebook Cash, you're going to get 350 ebooks with PLR and MRR rights. So that stands for private label rights and master resale rights. Okay. Now, what that means is private label rights, you can pretty much do anything you want. You can rename it, call it your own, you can rebrand it, rewrite it, you know, do what you like. With MRR, they tend to be a bit more ready to go, ready to sell, so you can sell them and keep all the money. So both of these options are brilliant when you're starting out. And in case you didn't know, that's how this whole business started for me. Back in the day, I was launching a product with my then mentor, Fergal Downs, good friend of mine, and I needed a product to launch. And I was like, well, what do I know? You know, what could I teach? What could I release? Fergal said that traffic was always a good thing. So I thought, what about if I found some PLR on traffic and I launched that? You know, I didn't know a lot about anything back then. So anyway, I found this piece of PLR and I bought it, and I realized that it was not something that I could release in its current state, but it gave me a fantastic framework. You know, it's like a creative template. Instead of thinking, what can I release? Here was, you know, the framework for a product. So I did what I pimped it, okay? And I turned that piece of PLR into a product that we launched, and we did over $8,000. And I thought at the time, that's pretty cool. $8,000 for my first launch from this one piece of PLR. Now in Ebook Cash, you get 350, pretty much for the price of one. Right, so you can see that it's massive, massive value. Now, when I launched that product, the next product that I launched with my good friend and then mentor, Mark Bishop. And I created a product called Pimpr, P-I-M-P-R. And that product taught you how I did the product launch with Fergal. So how I pimped that piece of PLR and turned it into over $8,000. The Pimpr launch itself did over $35,000. So you know, and things have kind of snowballed from there. I've done well over $2 million on Warrior Plus, and I'm immensely grateful and, you know, blessed to have this opportunity to be able to work like this from the comfort of my own home here in the UK or anywhere in the world that I want to be. So that's why I'm passionate about this, and that's why this is a complete and utter no-brainer for you. The value is massive and the potential is massive as well. But if you don't know what to do with PLR, then you don't have to worry, because I'm giving away the Pimpr ebook, that training course, free with every purchase of Ebook Cash. All right, so you're going to have my blueprint on how I do that. But just to make things a little bit sexier for you and a lot easier for you to get faster and easier results, what I'm also going to do is have a live training webinar where I'll take one of the pieces of PLR from the Ebook Cash package and I will pimp it in front of your very eyes. So this is going to be me renaming it, rebranding it, pimping it, and, you know, producing a new product and just giving you ideas to fast track that so that you yourself can do that. Because I'm a firm believer in teaching you to be able to create so that you can literally create money whenever you want. And as I said, you know, with this package, you've got countless opportunities to do that. So this could be your beginning. You know, this could be you starting now, and a few years down the line, you could be sitting where I am. Well, not actually right here, but you know what I'm saying. You know, a few $1 million ahead, and you know, it's a great way to start. It's an easy way to start as well, because you don't have to think too much. You literally take that piece of PLR and you pimp it, and then you sell it, and then you keep all the money. All right, so I've got a huge, big bonus bundle that you'll see beneath this video. And that's already in waiting for you. Full instant access to everything there. If you buy through my link, you do need to check your cookie to me. Now, even though I'm the vendor, if you want these extra bonuses, you need to come through my affiliate link. And so you'll need to go to the checkout page, the checkout cart page on Warrior Plus, scroll to the bottom, you'll see a little round person icon, hover over that, and you'll be looking for my name, Trevor Carr, just all together, okay? Trevor Carr as the affiliate. If you see that, you are cookied to me, and you're going to get all of the bonuses that you see beneath this video, okay? So just to quickly talk you through the funnel that we've got here. So the front end product on Ebook Cash is 350 of these quality ebooks with PLR and MRR. And then the OTO one is a massive upgrade of ebooks, articles, graphics, audios. It's a multimedia upgrade, incredible value. Fantastic value. You thought I was going to say F then, didn't you? Fantastic value. And at such a cheap price. You know, the thing about when you're launching products is the product launch happens, and during that launch, the prices are all so cheap that it makes it a no-brainer for you. So that's the OTO 1. Now the OTO 2 is a really special one as well for this, and you're going to love this. What I've done is I've taken all of the training that I've got on pimping PLR. So I'm talking webinar replays, coaching webinar replays, I'm talking video courses, ebooks, cheat sheets, templates, you name it. Everything that I've got in relation to taking PLR and pimping it, and I've put that all into a simple to navigate members area, and you're going to get access to that at a fraction of the normal cost. All right, so that's a fantastic upgrade on OTO 2. OTO 3 is, it would sometimes referred to as resellers. I basically call it a commission bump, but what it is, it's the closest you can get to having your own full product with a full funnel. It's like you being the vendor, it's like you being me. Because for Ebook Cash, this particular product that we're talking about right now, you get a commission bump on the whole funnel. So that means you buy Ebook Cash, you think, yeah, this is pretty good, you know, it's good value, I could actually sell this. And all you need to do is send people to the sales page through your special affiliate link that will give you your guaranteed approval, and you get to keep all the money. So if they buy Ebook Cash, instead of me getting the money or me and Luann getting the money, you get all the money, right? And if they buy the OTO 1, you get all that money. If they buy the OTO 2, the OTO 3, the OTO 4, etc. So OTO 3, it's $97, right? And some people think, well, that's not cheap, is it? No, it's not cheap, but it's not expensive. Like $97, like getting your own product and being the vendor, but you've only got to sell that once. So you think about it, if someone buys the front end and then the OTO 3 at $97, you've got your $97 back and you're in profit. And then everything after that is profit, you know. So it's a brilliant way to make money. I always recommend it to my students, and you'll know that if you've followed me for any time. It's definitely the one OTO that I always strongly recommend you take. I don't know how long we can get away with doing this, where we literally, you know, make you as good as the vendor by bumping you, but at the moment we can, so take full advantage of it. And OTO 4 is another training package in a members area, all written and performed by me, and that is showing you pretty much what I would do if I had to start over again at the beginning, you know, starting from scratch. How would I go again? And what I like about that is that really is perfect for anybody that's, if you're not making sort of like, you know, $300-400 a day, then this is going to show you how you can get to that level. All right, so they're the OTOs there. This is a fantastic product, a fantastic opportunity for you to get something of real value, real tangible value. They're yours to keep and do what you like with. I would suggest as well that you use them as bonuses for affiliate promotions that you might do. That might be on Warrior Plus, it might be on ClickBank, but by giving bonuses, you increase the value of the offer that you're making to those people. And you can use these over and over and over again. Remember, you just buy Ebook Cash, you pay for it once, and then it's yours to make money from now until eternity. Okay, so go ahead, pick up Ebook Cash, make sure you cookie to me if you want my bonuses, pick up those OTOs, and let's make some money. All right. As always, if you've got any questions, please do let me know. In the meantime, I wish you all the very best. You take care.